Inflate the rear tire on the E36 and yeah, then I'm going to start cleaning up the yard now that the other E36 is gone. As you guys can see, I actually forgot to record that. This is why I woke up today with this energy, like I need to stop slacking and just make more content and stop slacking. So that's what I'm gonna do, stop fucking slacking, because I've really been slacking a lot and I need to stop. So I'll be cleaning, waiting for the guy to, like, this is the most annoying process ever. I'm trying to buy something from somebody that somebody had posted for a long time, and literally every time he's like, oh, come tomorrow, come tomorrow, come tomorrow, come tomorrow, and he never gives me a time. And then when it comes to the time, like today he told me 11 o'clock, it's like 11:30 now. So I'm like, I hate people so much. And that's one thing that I love about this. It's just long enough for me to reach it a little past the first wheel. So let's see how this goes. There's also a slight leak that I gotta fix, like on the hose, like if you guys could hear it. But let's see. Okay, so what's going on? Better. I'm gonna do a little more. And boom. All right, so I got the bumper. It's right back here. Dirty, but it came with something on it that I really needed. Well, two things on it that I really needed, and it's actually OEM, like an OEM M3 bumper, and you'll see exactly which one, like when I get home and what do you call it, and wash it off and everything like that and get it set to put on the car. But yeah, besides that, I really can't say too much about it for now. You guys just have to see it, and I'll tell you guys exactly why I bought this exact one. Okay, so this is the bumper right here, and I don't know if you guys can notice it at this angle, but there are two things that you can see, one here, one there. So the front has the Lux louvers, and then the back has the brake duct. Granted, there's only one, and there's also only one, that thing, I forget the name, floodlight or whatever, I forget what it's called, fog light. And then it also has the OEM BMW license delete trim, but somebody put a license in there, so there's some holes. But once it cleans up, it's gonna be fine. I'm pretty sure it looks a lot better on the camera than it does in person, but it's a little rough, but it's not that bad. It's a lot better than this one, which is not OEM. So there's that. Okay, so I what do you call it? I took off like all this stuff off the back and everything like that. I'm not gonna run that. and I had a lip on it, so put it on. And now it's time to get these nuts and bolts or whatever off these nut thingies, and then put the bumper on. Okay, bumper's on. It's not perfect. I still got to sand it down and I repaint it silver, but now at least the car looks somewhat presentable and more complete. And granted, it's going to change a lot, but it's just the beginning. So yeah, that's all I'm going to do for now, and I'm going to clean up a bit and go inside and take a nap because I have an insanely terrible migraine. So yeah.